you want to learn how to draw this cartoon monster? I'm John-Marc, and I'm going to show you in 3 easy steps. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final 3rd step. Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this video lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.